Are there any wheels anywhere that are worse than office chair wheels? I mean, imagine if rollerblades had office chair wheels. How craptastic would that be?
What this is?
This is a roller skate with wheels.
Pretty sure roller skates come with wheels.
God!
Every day, many of us spend more hours on our office chairs than we do anywhere else. And it doesn't matter how much you spent on your chair, you're pretty much guaranteed to have this same crappy, squeaky wheel that couldn't be much worse. It's finally time we show some love to our work thrones. It's time we get rid of these. So imagine if we replace these with rollerblade wheels. Come on, no. Imagine if you could upgrade these wheels to something much better in about 2 minutes, and it didn't have to cost almost anything more than these. Here at our business, I have 2 workshop stools on wheels that are in a warehouse with a concrete floor, and they take a real beating. So I went on Amazon and I sourced these replacements that are a massive upgrade. And yes, I'll drop a link in the description below if you're interested. I didn't even know that these things existed. Rollerblade literally sells their own branded wheels, but they're super pricey. However, you can also get amazing quality rollerblade style wheels in a variety of sizes, colors, and styles that are super easy to install. All you do is pop off the old wheels with a claw hammer or a screwdriver, and then you just pop in the new ones with your hands. It takes about 2 minutes per chair. Even I can do it. And don't worry about whether they fit, because they all have the same specs for the post design. That is, unless you have an IKEA chair. If your chair is from IKEA, don't worry, they have them for your chair too. You just need to be sure to order the right ones. But anyway, I decided to get 2 different styles. One has 2-inch double wheels and the other has 3-inch single wheels. Honestly, they're both great. I don't see a big difference rolling on carpet or concrete with either. It's mostly just a style difference. So knock yourself out with whatever suits you. And these things are built to last. The brackets on the 3-inch single wheels are all steel, and although the 2-inch double wheels have plastic brackets, they definitely look a lot sturdier than standard office chair wheels. And the wheels are solid. Just look at the weights of these things. The originals weigh just over 3 ounces, but the 2-inch double wheels weigh 6 ounces. And the 3-inch singles weigh 8 ounces, which is more than 2.5 times as much as the original cheap plastic wheels that come standard. They have polypropylene rubber treads that are silky smooth, and they're quiet. And I'm guessing you and the remainder of your chair will be long gone before these wear out. So if it's time to upgrade your ride, be sure to click the links in the description below to learn more. Now watch this next video if you're tired of banging your car door into and damaging your garage walls. And thanks for watching.